In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize Gboard's theme. Begin by opening your Gboard if you wish to change theme of the Samsung one. When you're ready, click on this gear at the top right corner next to 3 dots. Scroll down and tap on Theme section. Then apply one of those by clicking on the best one and go back. As you can see, after that, theme of my Gboard has changed. If you wish to try something more interesting, you can always switch your Gboard to Gboard. To do that, go into Play Store and download Gboard, the Google Gboard from Google Developer. This one. When it's ready, open it. Then click on Enable in Settings. Select the gray switcher next to Gboard and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Then go back. Click on Select Input Method and select the Gboard from the list. Lastly, select Done. Now you can access all of those settings by clicking on this gear at the top right corner, at the top of your Gboard. Or just click on Gboard. And access them over here. Wherever you decided, when you finished, hit Theme. Now use those dots at the top right corners of all of those categories to see all the available ones. After finding the best theme for you, click on it. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher, and then hit Apply at the bottom right corner. So when I do that and go back, I can see that theme of my Gboard has changed. To customize it, go back to the same settings, but this time click on this plus under My Themes. Now select the photo that you wish to apply as your Gboard's background. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Hit Next. Adjust the brightness by swiping left or right. Hit Done. Manage key borders and select Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my Gboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!